Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download investor dashboards using Looker Studio, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download investor dashboards using Looker Studio, begin by accessing your Looker Studio. Log in with your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard that you wish to download. Click on the dashboard to open it. Look at the top right corner of the dashboard interface. You will see an option marked File or an icon that resembles a download arrow. Click on this option to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Download. You may see multiple formats available for download. Choose the format that suits your needs, such as PDF or CSV. After selecting the desired format, a dialog box may appear. Review the settings in the dialog box. If needed, adjust any settings such as page orientation or size. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click on the Download button. Your file will begin to download to your device. Monitor the download status in your browser's download manager. Once the download is complete, navigate to your device's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to confirm it contains the correct data. You have successfully downloaded your investor dashboard from Looker Studio. Congratulations on completing this process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.